What's up guys, welcome to the GD project where we build this stripped dedicated race car. So last episode we got quite a bit done. We did the doors, cut the front out, mocked up the front fenders, removed the roof, boot lid, etc, etc. And so now we're going to continue basically preparing the shell and the body. We're going to cut a bit more, do some welding, and then the next stage will be paint. So on with more cutting. So now we are done with most of the welding. There are a few more things that we need to do, but we have some material that we ordered, so when it arrives, we will continue with the last things that need welding. And for now, we're going to start preparing the car, the body for paint. So on we go. Okay, so the next stage is paint. We are going to do the shell and the cage, two separate colors. Let me know what color combination you would choose for the cage and shell. Keep in mind that the bonnet, boot lid and roof are going to be carbon. We're leaving them carbon. So think of a combination that includes the carbon parts, the shell and the cage. What combination would you go for? So we'll reveal the paint that we have chosen in the next episode. And so that's all for this episode. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, see you in the next one.